Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to make passport size photos in Canva. Right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, go ahead and go to canva.com and just click on custom size. Okay, click on it. And then in here under width, make sure that you set it to 35 by height 45. Now change the units right here into millimeters. Okay, again 35 and 45. Now, once that's done, just basically click on create new design and just wait for it to open. Now, once it's opened, go ahead and add in your specific photo. Just go ahead over to uploads, then upload your file from here. Okay. Once done, just drag and drop it. So I'm just going to paste a photo right here, like this one. And then go ahead and crop it however you want, just like so. All right. And by the way, if you have a background right here, you just easily remove it, okay, if you have premium. If not, just go ahead over to our remove.pg, hit on enter, and upload your file from here, okay? Upload your image. Just say, for example, this photo right here, but upload it, wait for its magic to be done. And as you can see here, it's gone. So just basically click on download right here, download, and then after that, re-upload it to Canva. All right, so after that, go ahead and go to file right here at the top left, click on settings and show margins, just like so. And also enable show print bleed. Okay. And after that, just tap away. Now just go ahead over to elements right here, click on it. Now go ahead and select a square. Okay. Just like this one right here, just drag and drop it. Now go ahead and go to the stroke style right here, click on it and select the straight line. And give it a border or stroke weight 0.5. Okay, tap away, and here we have it. Now, once that's done, let's go ahead and click on it and make the color transparent. Okay, click on color. Now make it transparent. Here we have it. Now, as you can see here, as you may have noticed, we have the print bleed. Okay, so what you'll do is go ahead and add it in the center of the print bleed and the margin. Okay. Just like that one, or like this. Now, while it's highlighted, okay, you can go ahead and click on the three dots right here, and then go ahead and find position or align to page and set it to middle or center. Okay. Also, click on the three dots again, and the layer would be send backwards. Now, we have the border. All we got to do is just go ahead and select our image and fit it inside the border. Okay, just like that. And then once that's done, just go back to file, settings right here, disable these two. Okay, and here we have it. So as you can see here, as you may have noticed, the border is hidden. Well, you can just go ahead and change the layering. Okay, click on three dots, layer. You're gonna hit send to back. There you go. That's the image that was sent backwards. Okay, that's basically it. Now, if you want to change the background color, well, go ahead and click on color and select the editor right here. Just press F5. Again, another one. So it's off-white. Tap away and then click on share right here. Download it. Save it as a PNG if you want to. Wait for it to load. Then once it loads, save it wherever you want. My PS or passport size. Click on save. Then once that's done, open it. Right click on it and print it. There you have it. That's how simple it is to make a passport size photo in Canva. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.